Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, currently working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. The subject is Accommodation Operation 1, subject code C303, Chapter 3, Linen Room. The objective of this fourth session of this chapter is to know the sizes of linen. Now there are various sizes of the linen which we use in guest rooms, which we use in the restaurant, coffee shop, right? So it is very important to know the sizes of all kinds of linens. It helps to update our knowledge and information as far as restaurant service is concerned or guest room service is concerned. And it is always better to have information about various sizes of linen, and it helps to purchase the quantity of linen from the market if you know the sizes very well in place. So there are various sizes of linen as far as bed linen is concerned, bath linen is concerned, and restaurant linen is concerned. Now we'll go and see one by one all category of linen and its sizes. Now you can see in the picture there are various linen which comes under bed linen, specifically bed sheets, which has some types like small bed sheets single, then standard double bed sheet, then double bed sheet, queen size bed sheet, and king size bed sheets. Then crinkle sheet, again single and double, then pillowcases, standard one, then king size, then blanket, single, double, and queen size. So now you can see there are various sizes which are given in the inches as well as in centimeters. So it is very important for a guest room attendant as well as for a steward to know the sizes of linen while working in the hotel. So it gives an information about the various sizes, and it really helps to guest room attendant as well as stewards. So now you can see there are various sizes which are given for various types of bed sheets, various types of crinkle sheets, pillowcases, and blankets. We can just have a look of all the sizes in centimeters and in inches. Now moving towards bed linen, again these three things are left, that is duvet covers, duvet cover for single bed, duvet cover for double bed, then bedspread, maybe fitted spreads or throw over spreads, and which is varies with bed sizes, should just touch the floor. As far as bed spreads are concerned, it comes in various sizes, various colors, various patterns, and as for the type of bed, as per the size of bed, we have to make the bedspread, and we can order in the market, and accordingly we can stitch in the market so that it will fit properly and it can cover the bed properly. And it should be slightly shorter than the sheets. It should not be full big as like bed sheets, but it should be little bit shorter than the sheets. And mattress protectors, very important, single or double mattress protector according to the bed. We need to ensure that what kind of bed we have provided in various guest rooms categories, and accordingly we have to put the mattress protectors. Mattress protectors helps to increase the shelf life of the product. It will not damage your mattress suddenly, and all the moisture can be absorbed by the mattress protectors, and you can send it for washing in the laundry. So mattress protectors slightly shorter than the sheets. Now you can see there is a note which speaks about a wide variation is often found in sizes, since products differ in American, British, and Indian markets. Following the conventions with manufacturers, width the linen is mentioned first, right? See, it is not compulsory and it is not a fixed rule that all the sizes of all the linens of every hotel in the world would be same. It is not like that. As per the type of services which they are providing, as per the size of the guest rooms which they are giving to the guests, as per the size of bed which they are provided in the guest rooms, accordingly they make all the bed sheets spreadsheets, and mattress protectors. So it is not fixed at all. There are wide variation in the sizes, there are wide variation in the colors, patterns and designs, and as per the type of theme, as per the type of interior designing, as per the type of architecture of the guest rooms, they go and select the bed linen. So this is how bed linen plays very important role in the guest rooms, and its sizes also. Unless you don't know the size, you cannot cover the beds properly with the right selection of linen in the guest rooms. So once you came to know about all the sizes and inches, you can easily make the bed properly, and you can provide in a better way to your guest. Now second is bath linen. Yes, bath linen is very important. If there are various linen which comes under bath linen, like bath sheets, bath towels, face towels, hand towels, washcloths and bath mats. So this bath linen should be provided by the guest room attendant in the guest rooms. Unless you will not provide the bath linen, the function will not be completed. So it is compulsory to provide bed linen, bath linen and restaurant linen in the respective areas. Now you can see the sizes have been given in the columns, size in inches and size in centimeter. So bath sheets 40 into 70 inches, then bath sheets in centimeter 100 centimeter into 175 centimeter, bath towel 30 inches into 54 inches, and bath towels in centimeter 75 centimeter into 135 centimeter. Face towels 20 inches into 40 inches, then face towel in centimeters 50 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Hand towels 15 inches into 24 inches, and in centimeter 38 centimeter into 60 centimeter. Now washcloth 12 inches into 12 inches, and in centimeter 30 inches into 30 inches. Now last, that is called bath mats. It is 24 inches into 36 inches, and in centimeters 60 centimeter into 90 centimeters. Again, there is a special note which is given to the bath linen. A wide variation is often found in sizes since products differ across American, British and Indian market. Following the manufacturer's conventions, the width of the linen is mentioned first. See, every hotel has their own terms and conditions and standards. So according to their standards, whatever the size they have decided, whatever the size they prefer to provide in the guest rooms, accordingly they stitch or made the linen, whether it will be a bed linen, whether it will be a bath linen, whether it will be a restaurant linen. So again, there is a wide variation in sizes, in colors, in textures, in patterns, in design, as per the architecture of guest rooms, interior of guest rooms, color scheme of the guest rooms, right? Now next is table linen. Again, table linen plays a very important role, which consists tablecloths, which normally provide in all the restaurant, which is square in shape. Then tablecloth for oblong table, and then napkins and serviettes. So you can see a tablecloth could be provided for 2-seater table, then 4-seater table, then 6-seater table or 8-seater table. And tablecloth for oblong shape 6-seater table or 8-seater table. For napkins and serviettes, there is no any specification which has been given. Now we can move towards the sizes in inches. Tablecloth 36 inches into 36 inches for 2-seater table. For 4-seater table 54 inches into 54 inches. 6-seater table 63 inches into 63 inches. Then 8-seater table 72 inches into 72 inches. Then 6-seater table 52 into 72 inches, and 8-seater table which is oblong in shape 90 inches into 72 inches. And napkins or serviettes which we should provide and we should serve in the restaurant, which should be 18 inches into 18 inches or 24 inches into 24 inches. So this was all about various sizes of various linens. including your bath linen, bed linen, and restaurant linen. Now we are moving towards the quiz on sizes of linen. I'll put up the link in my YouTube comment box channel. You can appear for the quiz the moment you open the link for the quiz, which is there in my comment box, and you can see your score the moment you submit your quiz. These are the references which I have taken for my PPTs. And finally, thanks for watching my videos. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.